Okay, so this is our 1987 Honda CBR400R Hurricane. As you can see, conditionally, cosmetically, it's in really nice condition. There is a running issue with it, which I suspect is only carburetors, but it could be more. We're not going to fix it. I'll try and demonstrate. Basically, the fuel is not flowing very well. It'll rev up and it'll cut out. I'll try and show you what it's doing. The engine's almost cold. I've had it up to temperature and it's still doing the same thing, but I'll try and demonstrate anyway. Well, I mean, basically it sounds okay. It'll take a rev. It'll probably cut out when I run and ease off. So there's no weird noises from the engine. It pulls fine when it wants to. It's just something. But anyway, that's the 400. Okay, so this is the 1987 Honda CBR400R Hurricane NC23. You've just seen it running and cutting out, but running and not making any weird noises. So this is the cosmetic walk around. Basically, it's in super nice condition. There are some spare plastics with it, there's some panels with it, they're different colour but they're the right ones. A few marks here and there, a bit of aging on some of the metal parts, but for a 37-year-old bike it's quite exceptional. The paint's lovely, it's all there, it's all straight. A couple of marks on the screen. Check around the other side again in case I missed anything. No, don't so. Tiny mark there. No, it's all good. Top of the tank, top of the seat, and the controls and the grips. And there's the speedo, 40,467 kilometers, which I will translate into miles in the text. So there she is. NC23 Hurricane.